The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. You know, and this is just a quick video about something that I heard about not so long ago. You see me? Well, actually, it's because of a video that is circulating on social media, as well as pictures that is circulating on social media about a person who had been shot and killed. And it is said that this person was one of Jamaica's most wanted. You see me? Now, there's reports out there about a person who goes by the name of Prekeh Boy, who had been shot and killed within the parish of St. James, that's of the country of Jamaica. And it is said that he had been shot and killed on the 22nd of July 2020 during a joint police and military operation. You understand? It is said that this person who had been shot and killed was in his 20s. Yeah, it is said that he was 25 years old. Now, in one report, it said that he had been wanted for more than 4 years. I'm just telling you according to what had been said in some reports out there about this person who had been shot and killed and so forth. You understand me? Now, I saw a picture that is circulating on social media, and according to what had been said on social media about that picture that I'm talking about, it is said that that picture shows the body of the person who is known as Prekeh Boy, who had been shot and killed. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, I also saw a video that is circulating on social media, and I'm going to leave that video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I'm going to leave that video with you, but I'm going to tell you some things that have been said on social media about that video. You understand me? Yeah, and I want you to please bear in mind that I'm only telling you what had been said on social media about that video. You get what I'm saying to you? So therefore, even though I'm telling you what had been said on social media about that video, please bear in mind that these things that have been said on social media about this video, to my knowledge, they have not been confirmed to be 100% accurate. You understand? So it might be true and it might not be true. But according to what had been said on social media about the video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, it is said that this video shows the person who is known as Prekeh Boy, and it is said that this video shows when Prekeh Boy was holding a gun. And that gun is said to be a very dangerous gun. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? And you know, this video is circulating on social media, where comments have been made about this video on social media. You know, I mean, some things have been said about it, viewers and subscribers. All right. Well, anyways, you know, it's not really a long video, and I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You know, and you can also tell me what you think about this video as well. All right. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.